Hey, this is Eric with Belgian Underground Brewing. I'm almost done with this control panel for the electric brewery. I just wanted to kind of share it with everybody else out there in the electric brewery world, and I'm just going to show what I've done if anybody else was thinking about doing what I'm doing. So I'll begin. There is 2 power cords, 50 amp circuits going into this panel, so I could run 4 elements all at once. I'm going to be running 5,500 watt elements, 2 in the hot liquor tank and 2 in the boil kettle. The reason for that is that we're going to be doing back-to-back batches, maybe 3, maybe 4, because we're just putting a small pilot system in right now just to get us started. I just want to be able to turn around quickly and have hot water again. So anyway, if you look up at the top here, on-off switch for one system, an on-off switch for the other that's keyed. One system's going to be on the hot liquor tank and mash tun. That's one, and the second one is going to be the boil kettle, and then you got your pumps down here that's wired into one of the systems. So this switch here is going to turn on one element or both elements. This one here is going to select your hot liquor tank or your mash tun to control the elements that's in the hot liquor tank. So if you're doing a recirculation and step mashing, you don't have to estimate on your hot liquor tank temperature to get where you want it on your mash tun. You can just switch this over, set your mash tun temperature, and it'll read it, and it'll just keep the pumps going. It'll just keep heating the elements up. So anyway, your pumps down here, same thing over the hot liquor tank. Your on-off for the PID, and then your element selection, 1 or 2 elements. That way, when you're at a boil, you can just turn one down and not get a raging boil and boil over. So pretty simple box, just like electricbrewery.com. That's where I got most of the items from and their links. So inside's going to be a mess. Some people are going to probably make fun of me because I probably did way too much than I really needed to, but hey, this keeps it simple for me. So, of course, you got your PIDs set up here. Just go on the electricbrewery.com how to wire those up. I did kind of throw in a couple switches in between turning these contactors on and off so I can control the elements. So, as the 2 main power sources come in, I got 50 amp contactors. So this is power 1 and this is power 2. So power 1 will run these 2, and then the second one will run these 2 here. And I used 80 amp SSRs just so I can have both of these going at the same time. That's going to control both of these. So it's kind of a little crazy, a lot of wiring. I took out some stuff. Like you can see that I've only got 2 different bus bars. That's because I divided them in half. So the power 1 takes the 4 over here, the second power takes these 4 over here, and I got to add some jumpers for it. Same thing up here with the positive. This is the neutral. I did take out the meters and the alarms because I just don't think that's necessary. Just use a simple hand alarm or the phone usually. That's what we do now. So anyway, got the fuses in line for the elements. Use the same type of connectors as electricbrewery.com does. So anyway, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me and I might get back to you. I don't know if I can even post this on YouTube, but anyway, thanks. Good luck.